Wow, we got a new bike for the channel. We might, I don't want to spoil anything, we might be getting another bike. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am on the new bike. This is kind of like the second day of me riding it. So I rode it the first day when I got it, and then I rode it to the shop to surprise my friend. And look at that, we just hit 300 miles on the dot. We're trying to get to that break-in period, which is like 500-600 miles, something like that. Yeah, I don't know what these lights are. My traction control and wheel control, for whatever reason, after the last ride from first day when I got it, they were on, and then when I rode it back home, they were off. It does not sound bad for a stock bike, and let me tell you, this bike is fast, like crazy fast, and it's like V4R type of fast, but like easy, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like really did a great job. Like, I honestly feel like this is why I like trying different bikes, because I feel like if you don't, you're missing out on a lot, you know? Like, each bike is so different. Like, what? Just the cornering feels so good on this bike. The brakes are good. Like, honestly, there's not much to hate about this bike. Nobody knows what I got yet. Well, a few people do, but we want to get some reactions, so that's exactly what we're doing. Okay, we got the approval.
Nice, dude.
1100 factory, baby.
Nice.
You like?
I like, man.
Okay, there was some hesitation.
You surprised me. I was like, I'm expecting a fucking BMW, dude.
I know, dude. I don't know. BMW just, it never works out. I'm not like a BMW guy, and every time I try to get one, I'm just like hesitant about it. You know what I mean? This was a full send. Like, I couldn't find any of these for sale. So when I saw this one, 250 miles, I was like, damn, this is a steal.
Whoa.
Look at this. Look at the lean angle. Bro, this shit's so fun.
How does it feel, though?
It feels dope, honestly. Way better than the BMW. It's because it's actually like fun, you know what I mean? It's 217 horsepower. Yeah. It feels fast, and it's bone stock, not even break-in period yet. So yeah, it's definitely
Compared to the other bikes.
So it feels like almost like V4R level fast, power-wise, but it's so much easier to ride. You know what I mean? Like the V4s, especially the R, it's like actually hard to ride. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta respect the bike. This bike seems so much easier to throw around and stuff like that. Yeah. Like, this is gonna be my new daily, and the R1 is gonna be like the track bike.
This one seems lower.
It's actually way higher up. Sit on it. It's high up, huh? That's what I'm saying. I already got an exhaust and a bunch of stuff for it, but yeah.
Did you?
Yeah. Full send.
Okay, what special model is it?
Full 1100 factory.
I don't do. So,
The best Aprilia makes.
what made you decide Aprilia over?
BMW. Honestly, the main factor is that I can get a BMW whenever they're available. This one I couldn't find at all. This was the only one that I found.
Dang, bro, big
Yeah. I already got so much carbon for it too. This whole piece is gonna be carbon. This is carbon. As I said, this is carbon. I got the Rizoma stealth mirrors. It's gonna look aggressive with those. I got some bar ends for it. I got like the heel guarding carbon, chain cover, this one.
Rear sets for now or what?
For now, I think. Cause I can cover this up in carbon. Do you like the silver frame or not?
I do and I don't. I like the aluminum.
Yeah, I actually like this. I want to keep it like this just because so when I get the smaller, I got the shorty exhaust for it. I'm not gonna say which yet, but you know what I'm talking about. You know exactly what I'm talking. There's only one exhaust that should go on this bike. Some little carbon fiber exhaust. So this is gonna be like similar to this, and I might get like silver ASVs to kind of like go with the flow.
Yeah, the frame breaks it up. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. If I go, I feel like if I do full carbon, it's like the bike is gonna be like lost, you know what I mean? It's just gonna be black, which is clean, but I like how this is like, it's different.
It's tasteful.
Yeah.
Very nice. I think it's your nicest bike.
Wow. Wow, that's gonna be on YouTube. We got a statement. This is my nicest bike. Whoa, that's a big statement.
I really like it more than the R. I really do. Yeah, but what about the M or the 2?
Impressive for someone that races R1s. I mean, I get it. People that race love Aprilias. I heard that a lot.
It's how everything fits together.
Yeah, and it's also like what, half the price of the R.
True.
Yeah, it's the same price as the R1M. But yeah, we got this piece in carbon, which is a pain because it's this bolt and there's 2 bolts are under here which no tools can fit under, so we have to lift the tank slightly just to replace this. See these right here? That's where it goes under. Then it's gonna go just like this. He said that's the nicest bike I have right now.
Get out of here. Nicest one, we already know which one is the nicest one.
Which one do you think?
V4R.
The V4R? What about you? Which one is the nicest bike right now?
Look-wise?
Well, I guess.
Every aspect.
He doesn't know much about them, so.
Yeah, I mean, I like the
What's up,
H2.
H2, okay, you can't go wrong with this. I'm asking them. He likes the H.
Fucking gay, that's what I think.
Wow. He's a Ducati boy. He doesn't like Aprilias.
It's a beautiful bike, but I don't know. I wouldn't get it. It's a sick bike. It sounds like a V10 V10 R8.
I know, with an exhaust is gonna be
It might
nice.
sound a little bit better with the exhaust system, and I might like it a little bit more, but I don't know.
No, it rides way nicer than the Ducati, cause it has like almost not the R, but like compared to my V4S, it has the same power, but it's so much easier to ride. A lot of exciting things coming up for this bike. So yeah, I'm gonna get the silver shorty ASVs with the black dial.
Yeah, that'd look nice.
I think that'll look clean.
I can't wait till these come on.
I know, this should come on. I thought when I got the carbon piece, I thought that like I got the,
Is that how you got it?
yeah. I thought I got the mirrors, to be honest, because I paid for extra fast shipping to get them. They should come this week, but it's already Saturday, so I doubt they're gonna come tomorrow. Yeah, a lot of plans coming up for this bike. It's gonna be exciting, and I'm really excited for it. Like, subscribe. We got a new bike for the channel. We might, I don't want to spoil anything, we might be getting another bike for the channel. I don't know. No, what did I say? I didn't say anything, right? I didn't say anything.
I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, nobody heard anything. But anyways, like, subscribe, support, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, ride safe.